Yeah, Roger, Drew. Yeah, most definitely did. I've got you on about a 3-4, about a radio 3-4 as well, Drew. You're just riding my ash level at the moment, so it's definitely starting to work. But that's the first contact. I think that's 55 now, my friend. 55 QSL.
QSL, you're really doing well. Your signal picked up there a little bit. I switched over to the Astroplane, but we'll send it off on the side.
Okay, Drew. Yeah, you switched over to the Astroplane. Well, you've come through a little bit louder with the audio on the Astroplane, but I think that's about the norm, isn't it, my friend QSL?
QSL, okay. Good talking, cousin.
Yeah, I've actually got you starting to come up a little bit now, Drew. You're working well at the moment. I can hear you a lot better than I did before. I can't. Yeah, Roger, Drew. I've got you coming up over a 5 and a 5 now, my friend. I've got you no problems at all at the moment, but I didn't hear anybody coming back in QSL. Yeah, it just seems to be the normal this year, don't it, Drew? There's guys up this way getting out to you, no problem. It's just that receive signal that takes its time building up there, QSL. Yeah, you came up absolutely fantastic on that last over. Still round about a 4-5, but your audio's getting clearer, my friend. Yeah, I was going to say, Drew, yeah, it seems to be a little bit one way with the propagation, but we have had a lot of solar activity, which may be the reason why there, and it's been quite continuous for a good few months now, QSL. Dropping down a little bit now, Drew. Yeah, Roger, Drew. I got most of that. Yeah, it did drop down a little bit there, Drew, but I think it's starting. Anyway, we're about an hour early anyway, Drew. We must be at least an hour early compared to the past few days, QSL. Yeah, I have got another station on the frequency. I can't actually work them out whether they're stateside or European. Okay, Drew, we'll hold stations for now, my friend, and we'll go again very shortly and let it build a little bit. It should work a lot better over the next few minutes, QSL. Yeah, Roger, Drew. Yeah, well, that D104 sounding good. I know you're using that one because it makes a noise when you D-key. But it's no detriment to your audio there, Drew. All right, my friend, I'll hang 6 for now and we'll go again shortly. Yeah, I got every word of that there, Drew. Yeah, I don't know whether to let go of the microphone now. You just keep getting stronger to me, QSL. Yeah, well, I've got this one recording anyway, buddy. It was just I was just going to record it to show you how low the skip was. But ever since I've had the recorder going, you've just been incrementally getting stronger and stronger, QSL.
Yes, QSL, because I'm also video and Suprise. Some of it's my fault. I forgot to switch for the transatlantic cable.
Yeah, talking about cable, have you worked out how much it's going to cost you to sling that cable across the Atlantic, QSL, from those little two-way cheap Chinese walkie-talkies you've just bought, QSL?
Well, I keep trying to get estimates, but everybody laughs and hangs up.
Yeah. Yeah, then you've got your boat charges, or should I say your shipping charges, to drag it out there. Yeah, then we've got to run it over a bit of land, Drew. So, oh man, it's gonna cost you a lot of money, QSL. All right, buddy, we will drop it this time round, my friend, and we'll let it build a bit. But it's nice to get you in there a little bit earlier today there, QSL. Yeah, I don't really know what it is about that snow over your way, Drew. It must have magical properties, because every time that white stuff comes down, my friend, you just seem to do really well out of your area, QSL. Well, I must say, I certainly think myself that it definitely aids your transmissions across the Atlantic. However, that is, I have no idea how that works, but you're definitely working. I think we actually got in there about an hour before everybody else today, Drew. Like I say, it's usually been about an hour from now when the skip started to work, but it's definitely working at the moment there, QSL. I don't think there is anyone out there, Drew. I think we've beat them all to it today. We always talk, my friend. We always talk. Okay, my friend, I'll drop the key this time round, and I'll just say to you, we'll catch you shortly again in a bit. I'm definitely sure it will work a bit better, even though it's the weekend, my friend. Okay, Drew, 444 Nottingham, UK. We're standing down for now.